Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. Today we are going to discuss about a passenger flight that is Boeing 747, the most popular and well-known jumbo passenger jet of all time. Its manufacturer is Boeing. Its price is $266.5 million. It is outfitted with two turbofan engines. It consumes 63,300 pound-force of power to fly with a maximum speed of 933 km per hour. Its travel range is 13,492 km. It covers 0.06 km distance in just 1 liter fuel. It can fly up to 45,000 feet in the sky. The climb of this Airbus is 1500 feet per minute. It requires 2815 meter distance to take off and 1905 meter distance for landing. It can fly with the maximum weight of 3,96,890 kg, but normally payload on this jet is 2,95,740 kg. It has fuel tank capacity of 71,395 liter. There are 416 general seats, 524 business class seats and 416 first class seats in this jet.